Okay, let's make a story, the part 1 muna. So, part 1 po ng pagpasok ko sa company. So, this is the company, The Health Medical Services. The Health Medical Services. Yun na. So, okay. Ano bang year ako? Ano bang year ako dito? 2001? Oh, 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004. Oh, 2001 ako pumasok. November or October, mga ganun. So, nag-apply ako kasi nga lockdown that time and my former employer is going to be for good. Una kasi na lockdown, yung paunti nag-lockdown through, ang lockdown nila is may timing. So, may time sa paglabas, may time na, and then you cannot go out without any mask, yung talagang as in na, and then schools are closed, module na sila, online na sila. And then, the worst scenario there, kung bakit sila for good is, yung amo kong piloto, this is the worst na nasaksihan. Yung amo kong piloto, nagbabawas na din ng piloto. So, finger crossed, si amo, 50-50. So, hindi niya alam kung anong gagawin. And then, that's the very, doon ko nakita yung, alam mo yun, decision making. Na kailangan mauna yung mga bata kasi anytime pag naka-receive sila ng email na wala na sila sa company, they cannot do anything. No excuses. Lahat sila ganon. And then, napakahirap ng ganon, di ba? Kasi you are on the peak of what if bago ka. Yun yata yung doon. Yung bago ka, tapos may mga report sa'yo. So, ibig sabihin, ito yung mga talagang nai-email nila. And many more. So, it's so stressful for families like that. And alam ko may mga nag-suicide din dahil sa, alam mo yun, you are on the peak of your, career na nagtratrabaho, kasi provided lahat yata ng company. Meron kang ganito, malaki ang sahod mo, you have your experience na luxury of life, and then biglang nag-pandemic na lahat yun na nga po, nagtatanggalan sa trabaho, walang food, wala kang trabaho, then here comes food, di ba? Ang dami nang nag-ambag-ambag that time dahil ang dami na rin nagbebenta yung mga, which is a lesson also, ang dami nang nagbebenta ng kanilang mga mamahaling gamit. Okay, so yun na nga po ang nangyari. So that's the story first. So, kailangan ko rin umuwi that time. So, I decided to go for good na uwi na din ako. But, what happened is, wala kaming makitang flight. Puro lockdown. So, my employer said, why not, kung gusto mo, maghanap ka muna ng work mo dito. So, yun. Decide ako maghanap ng trabaho. And then, one of my friends, sabi niya, why not try to apply sa LA. So, nag-apply ako in this, kasi friend to friend naman. So, nag-apply ako, then nakuha ako. So, dito ako, una kong nag-applyan is eto nga. So, I was called to their office, which is in LA. Na-interview ako, and then, yun, after how many days, pwede na ako mag-start, okay? So, start ako as a trainee muna, nag-training kung ano talaga ang ginagawa nila, pak, how many days na training? 10 days yata? 15 days. So, para i-particular mo kung anong cases ng patient and everything. And then, I was assigned so after 10 days into the company, I was assigned to go to Russell Kayma. Yun yata ang kong patient. Unang hawakan kong patient. So, I was staying there. Unang patient ko is Russell Kayma. But I was trained 10 days in LA. All the patients, complicated patients, I face them. And also, different CIs. Ang CI, ibig sabihin, sila yung magsha-shadow duty sa'yo. So, with that, kung na-assess nila ako, mas na-assess ko sila. Because I'm a very keen observer. And that's it. So, I was duty in Russell Kayma, and I think yung passport ko na ibalik na yata for my medical. ang sabi ng HR, you have to hand over to me, my name. So, ang nangyari, ang ginawa nila is, they didn't hand over to me kasi nga wala, ang estilo kasi nila sa so we have an accommodation. Our accommodation is hindi mixed nationalities, I mean. So we have Indian, Jordanian, Filipinas, Nigerian, anything. So, but most Indian, mas marami yatang Indian kaysa sa Pilipina. So, yun na nga po ang the mudira there, the mudira there is a Filipina. Matagal na daw siyang nagano. So what she does is she didn't hand over. She put it on a certain table in there where in they can eat or whatever. Nilagay niya doon. Pinicturean nila at sinin nila sa grupo ng accommodation, which is that time I'm not in there yet. I'm not inside the chat group, so I don't know what's happening. And then one of my roommate that time and a friend told me that, there is an envelope from the table that ibibigay day sa'yo. And when I saw it, it's an envelope that the envelope, certain the regular envelope. So, I have already an idea that it was my passport. So, ikaw, na wala ka sa group, na ilang weeks ka nang andon sa duty mo, I was immediately pissed off. Bakit? Passport ko yan. It's an important identification of any individual, which is you cannot just put anywhere. You have to if they said you have to hand over it. Okay, I told to the person who screenshot, can you please add me to the group? Because I wasn't in the group yet. They add me there. And because I'm pissed off, I immediately, unang banat ko doon. Why did you not hand over to room 5, any person who is in there, my passport? Why is it in there, lying on the table? The reply is, because we are doing this every time. Okay? This is their routine. This is already, dito yung nakasanayan nila. Whatever it is, picture lang nila sa table, ilagay nila doon, and then the person could pick anytime if she has time or whenever she is coming from work. But the problem is, again, I'm not in the group. I'm not there. Everything. So I said, it's just a matter of a stare and you will reach the room 5 and then you will hand over to anyone. Didn't even know that here I'm in Ras Al Khaimah. I was pissed off because passport is not an easy thing to just order from Noon or Lazada or anything, and then you can pick up or they can deliver. This is an important papers, and hindi ganun gumawa ng passport, especially in other country. So, nagalit ako. Binanatan ko siya sa inside the group. Naging instant artista na naman ako. I was instantly known to people whom I do not know. It's a group. So, everybody is looking your profile. Who is Harley Quinn? Who is this one? Which is, I am already expecting with that conversation that I've done. Expected. But again, I have the right. Not because this is your routine, this is what you are doing, doesn't mean that you are right. Nobody's speaking. So, and especially that was a passport. Again, that's a passport, which is very important for me. Okay? Just lying down on the table. What if somebody used a coffee and then it poured to my passport? What if somebody just pick it and then throw it in the garbage? We don't know. A lot of people in there. Maybe 30, 28. So we don't know. So I was known for that because the chat there is English. I have a point. So expected from me. And I'm right. I know it. I'm right. That's my personal identification. You just couldn't do that to anybody. No. Especially that's passport. So, naging instant artista na naman ang dating ko. So I was again called in Ras Al Khaimah. I have my off. I have to go back to Al Ain. And then I have like, when I'm having my off there, when I'm going with my colleagues, they don't know me. I'm a new, not even a month. So I was stay there, and then whenever I go to the same car with my colleague, what's your name? I'm Harley. Ah, ikaw pala yun. Ikaw yun. These are the words that yung ibang hindi makatiis, ay, ikaw yun. Ay, ikaw pala si Harley. So, either negative for them or positive impact. But some are, buti sinagot mo yan, o ganun. But anyway, most are negative. So, what do you expect? Ako nga yun. So, yun na nga, nakilala ako sa ganun, na strong personality ako, palaban, which is correct. For those who doesn't know me, mga nakilala ko sa colleague ko na na matagal ko, na talagang kilala ako, wala. I don't have any friends in the company. They just know me by hearsays. They just know me to people who do not know me. Colleague who just committed mistake and she experienced maybe a strictness to me, or advice, or anything with me, or maybe whatever. So they could make any stories and they are the victim, and all of them comes against me. Parang parang if they heard something about me, it's like a wildfire. Lalo na, especially when they see, because schedule is being given and executed by 7 days. Especially that sila yung partner sa duty, and then ikaw yung reliever. Who's this Harley Quinn? And then they heard something about you. This notion, this hearsay that they heard about you, this is the topic that they are going to make, and an impression and treatment according to what they hear. Challenge are there. But anyway, hindi po ako nawawala sa katinuan para itrato ko kayong pagmamaliit. Wala po ako niyan. Tratuhin kayong bobo. Hindi rin. Magyayabang ako. Hindi rin. Never. But I will go with the word professionalism. I'm really strict. Hindi po ako yung bumabanat ng wala sa tono. Hindi po ako yung nananakit or nagsasalita ng basta-basta, unless there's a challenge or you push me. Hindi ako baliw. Alam mo yun, hindi ako psychopath na basta na lang naggaganon na nagsasalita. Hindi ako baliw. Wala akong kulang. Alam mo yun, hindi ako yung matino akong mag-isip. If you respect me, I have a part 2 also. So that's the story of Passport. That's the story how I entered the company. After again going back to Ras Al Khaimah, there is again another incident. That was my first time to be called in the office, and that's how I feel how it is to be called in the office. I went back to that patient, and then even though that when we received, because we are both new to my colleague, wala na talaga. There is a case situation or whatever going on to the hands of the patient. So kami yung bago, kami yung gumagawa ng paraan para ma-heal, pero kami pa ang nasumbong. So kami ang lumasap. Even though how much we given the scenario, how I explain na, when we receive this story, hindi ko pa alam yung mga karapatan, what is my right, na if you receive and there's such thing, automatic take a photo and send to the manager or anyone in there. Hindi ko pa alam, so I didn't do that. And then afterwards, when pabalik na sila, doon sila nag-photo, and then when I saw it, see me in the office, that's it. So that's the entrance of how here in this company. That's the story of Passport and who I am among of my colleague. It's really a very strong entrance to anyone. So naging known po ako.